Hello everyone, welcome to my Hot Wheels Redlines collection. Today I have a mail call. Yeah, it's Christmas Eve and the mail did deliver. I kind of thought this wouldn't be until the 26th, but it came early, which I am very grateful for. So I will show you guys my most recent purchase and see if you guys like it as much as I do. Here we go. Here's the first one. Look at the paint on that thing. So this is a 40th anniversary. Looks like it's a Thailand car. It's in very, very nice shape. I love the red glass. Wheels are perfect on it. What an amazing car. So this piece here, they used to form so the seat will stay in the car. So it's part of the interior and just enough on the bottom to stick out there to where the interior will stay. Let's look at that inside. Looks like it's got a little bit of a dash, but not much. Still a nice car. Striping on it is perfect. They actually raised the roof a little bit right there where the T-tops would have went. Very cool. So let's see what the second one is. Another 40th anniversary car. And I think some of you might know, but I really like the ribbon Corvettes. Why I call them ribbons is because of this tampo. I think they just look really cool on the car. And where's this car made? Let's see if we can. This is a Malaysia car. Very pretty. Look at that paint. Man, that's amazing. Front of the car is perfect. Back of the car is perfect. Kind of a newer version of Redline. See how perfect those circles are compared to the old Redlines? Because the old Redlines, we'll just do a look at a Firebird real quick. But if you look at them, you can see they're off a little bit. Some are worse than others, but that's one way to identify real Redlines. So kind of see how that one's off a little bit. A lot of people, I don't know if they really notice that on Redlines, but yeah, wow, very amazing. So you got 40th anniversary Corvette and a 40th anniversary Firebird. Merry Christmas to me. I hope everybody is having a great day. I hope you're having fun with your families and loved ones. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. I'm up to 265 people. I know that doesn't seem like a lot, but for me and such a new channel, it is. And I appreciate every single subscriber I get. And I do subscribe back if I get notified that I have a new subscriber that I'm not following yet. So anyways, everybody have a great day, and I hope you enjoyed my mail call. Thank you. Bye.